Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bioscience Guide. Today the topic is excretion in human being. Let's understand the definition of excretion, excretory organs and their functions. Excretion is the process of elimination of harmful waste products like ammonia, carbon dioxide, salt, urea, uric acid, etc. from the body. The excretory products of human being are carbon dioxide, salt, water, ammonia, urea, uric acid, creatine, creatinine, etc. The organs which are associated with the removal of metabolic waste products from body are called excretory organs. The excretory organs of human beings are lungs, skin, liver, kidney. The kidney, which is involved in the elimination of mainly nitrogenous product of human being. The other organs like skin, lungs, liver are called the accessory excretory organs. The excretory organs of human beings are a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidney are being shaped dark red in color, compact body. Each kidney is found on the posterior abdominal wall on either side of the vertebral column, found in between 12 thoracic vertebra to 3rd lumbar vertebra. Each kidney is about 11 cm in length, 5 cm in wide, and 4 cm in thick. In adult male, the kidney is about 150 gram in weight, and in female, it is about 135 gram in weight. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left. The left kidney, which is slightly larger than right one because of the higher degree of vascularity. External structure of kidney. Each kidney is enclosed by a thin, tough, fibrous white capsule called renal capsule. The renal capsule provides protection from infection and injury. The renal capsule is externally bounded by fibrous membrane called renal fascia. In between the renal capsule and renal fascia, there is a semi-liquid fatty tissue called adipose tissue. The outer surface of the kidney, which is convex, and inner surface is concave-like structure. In the concave surface, there is a depression which has an opening called hilus renalis, through which the blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerves and ureter into kidney. The internal structure of kidney, which has two distinct regions, cortex and medulla. Cortex, which is an outer dark portion of kidney which consists Bowman's capsule. The proximal and the distal convoluted tubules of nephrons are present. The medulla is the inner lighter part of kidney. It consists Henle's loop and collecting tubules. In medulla, there are 15 to 16 conical projections are called renal or medullary pyramids. The conical project or medullary pyramids, which has a broad base that towards the cortex and the narrow end towards the medulla. The medullary pyramids are connected into minor calyces, which are 7 to 13 in numbers, and the minor calyces are open into major calyces, and the major calyces open into funnel shaped renal pelvis. Histologically, a kidney which is composed of about 1 million of uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Each nephron or uriniferous tubule which is known as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Ureters, which are one pair in human being, they are thin and muscular tube structure. Each is about 25 centimeter in length and arises from the ileum or concave region of the kidney. Each ureter is opened into the urinary bladder, and the ureter is divided into two portions, renal pelvis and ureter proper. Renal pelvis is the upper expanded funnel shape which is formed by the fusion of major calyces. The ureter proper is the muscular tube-like structure which joins to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, which is a thin-walled muscular elastic bag and is situated at the posterior part of abdominal cavity. It is a hollow sac-like reservoir to store urine. The wall of urinary bladder consists three layers: outer longitudinal fibers, inner longitudinal fibers, and middle circular layer. The urinary bladder discharges the urine out through the urinogenital opening or urethra. The urinogenital opening is regulated by two types of sphincter, external and internal. Urethra, it is a duct-like structure which is arised from urinary bladder and open to the exterior. In female, it opens out through the urethral orifice which is just above the vaginal orifice. In male, the urethra is longer, about 20 centimeter, and opens out at the tip of penis. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel by Science Guide to stay updated with more biology free content. Thank you for watching.